Welcome back to Project Daily City. It's been about a week since we last been here, so let's go through the project, see what's been done, but also the cool part that we can share with you today is some of the finished material that we have inside. So the last time you were here, we were working on the window and they just put that in. So check this out. You can't tell, but it's already letting in a ton of natural light, especially right now, which is around 4 o'clock. The sun's beaming in and it is shining throughout the home. So outside, they've already painted it since last time. They redid the vents a little bit more on the black side. So that's kind of the contrasting here, white, black, and we're gonna do well with the colorful door. Another thing that they did was we decided to finally put down some new tile on the entryway. We decided to keep it just simple with a black tile, black Schluter, and it's already looking a lot better. The only thing that we need to do to complete this little foyer is to paint the bricks black. I told you, look at the natural light, and look, that's with this film on the window. Now they put this film on here so that the window doesn't get too dirty, but imagine if we took this off, it would just shine in. So the last time we were here, they already put the recessed lighting in, they sanded the walls down to level 5 smooth. That's nothing new. But let me show you what is a little bit more on the new side. All the flooring is in. I think I showed this before, but I wanted to show you guys again. This is LVP, okay? But look how nice it looks, right? Imagine if we put it on the floor. You can already tell it's gonna completely change the whole look of the home. So I can't wait for this to go in. I think in about a week, this will be going in. So stay on the lookout for that. All the windows are in. This is a little bit new. We put new HVAC pipes throughout. This is gonna be the exhaust fan for the hood. So we always want our vents to actually exhaust out. In some constructions, they have it so that it just recirculates. We don't want that because whoever's gonna be buying this home, if they're cookers, we wanna make sure that they know that all that food smell is going outside the home, all right? Cool thing here, electrical is all in. We just passed the electrical inspection. So now that we're getting one step closer to being able to close up the walls and put the cabinets in. I don't know if I showed you guys this last time, but I'm hyped. The doors are in, shaker style, sharp edges, modern, sleek, love it. We got the tub in here, and we decided to upgrade the full plumbing in this home. So we have copper piping throughout the whole home, and it was not cheap to do, but I think that the new buyers are gonna appreciate it, and even though it may not get us more money, it's just gonna be a better product for whoever's buying the home. This is the laundry room. Washer and dryer is gonna go here. We originally had it in case and we were gonna build something in, but after it was in here, it felt a little too cluttered. And so we decided to just scrap the idea, put the washer and dryer here, and then we're gonna build floating shelves up here. Just kind of give it that complete look and just doesn't make it look like we just threw the washer and dryer here. And then this is gonna be more of a utility room. And so if you decide to go through the garage, you can take off your shoes, we can put a bench here, or I think the buyers can actually use this as an office. The flexibility is gonna add a lot of value. Down in the garage, it's a little dark, but you can see our cabinets came in, and so we are ready to go. A tip for you guys who are remodeling your home, do not wait for the contractor to ask for the cabinets. Go ahead and start measuring it, get the product here, because sometimes a cabinet like this, it can take 1 to 2 weeks to get, right? And sometimes that can delay a project. So we decided, buy it first, store it in the garage, because the moment we pass and we're able to close up the walls, they're gonna be able to just put and hang all the cabinets up. This is actually our granite countertops. You'll see, we decided to go with something a little bit more on the white with a light Calcutta look. And the reason why is because on one of the walls, the cabinets are gonna run very long and it's gonna require 1.5 of these quartz slab to complete that island. And the reason why we decided to go with this one and not the usual is because the veins are very faint and they run more vertically than horizontally. Why is that important? Because if you're gonna be putting 2 pieces together, and if there were big, thick veins in there, and they don't line up, it's gonna create a very ugly look. With this one, if you were to join 2 pieces together, It's gonna be seamless, and you wouldn't even know that they're two different pieces. Let me take you guys to the room because we do have some updates there as well. Bedroom number 1, you'll see that the doors are in here as well. And look, pay attention. Shake your doors. Now bring it in. And these are the closets. They're gonna be bifolds, 2 sides, but look at what style they are. They're also shakers. We did that so that they match. And when they match, it's creating that flow, it's creating the synergy, right? You don't wanna put one style of door and then have another random style door or closet. So this is gonna show that, we put a little thought into it. The details is where you make your money. Pay no mind to this. This just had to go in to test the system to make sure it worked. We're gonna replace this with a smart thermostat. New electrical panel here. In this bedroom, the one thing that they were working on since the last video is we put in a brand new sliding door, and now it opens and closes with ease. The last door that was here, it was rusted, very clunky, hard to open. This is just a nice touch. And in the primary bedroom, the main update that we have here is gonna be the shower pan. So take a look. We just passed the inspection, and so what they did here, you'll notice they plugged it up and they tested it to see if it leaked. And that's why we passed with flying color. Other than that, not much to note in here, but I can't wait to show you some of the tiles that we picked. It's gonna be very neutral, bigger tiles throughout the walls, big tiles on the floor, and then in the shower is when we're gonna go with the hexagon, smaller tiles with more grout so that it's a little bit less slippery in there. We're making great progress. The team is rocking. The only thing holding us back now is making sure we get all the inspections, we pass them with flying colors, and then once we close up the walls, we can start hanging the cabinets. So with that being said, this project is about 45 days out. I can't wait to show you guys the finished product. Thank you guys so much. Hit the subscribe button.